Let's get ready. And with this, big ass pimple, so it's with exfoliating the skin and better base application. Since we are stepping out in the hot sun, Mumbai is humid as hell. Sunscreen is a must. You might have seen me use this day and night and every single day. I love this. Here's all the makeup for the day. Starting with my most favorite. What you're gonna do is dab, 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 dab. It's the most natural coverage ever. I know you'll be like she's using the same products, but what to do? I love it so much. This is hands down one of the best concealers I've ever used. So easy to use, it blends so well. Like I'm absolutely in love with the formula and the finish. And it stays so put all throughout. Like I have worn it in heat out and about for at least 7 hours and it did not budge at all. I recently saw this new technique where they take a pressed powder and set your base with that first before going in with the loose powder. Going in with my ride or die cherry blossom from Huda Beauty. I could die with this powder. I love it so much. Taking a lump puff, evening it out, and I have tens of powders, but nothing comes close to this. This is mask proof, sweat proof, humidity proof, everything proof. Now using the powder blush, I'm contouring my face with the Cool for School Artclass. I have the shade Classic. I don't have a jawline, so I'll make a jawline. You see the illusion of a jawline? Look at this pretty kinky chic palette. It's so beautiful. Get a nice caramel shade for overall wash of color all over the eyelids. Adding a bit of orange. Taking this Revolution palette and this black eyeshadow on an eyeliner brush like this. Keep winging it out lightly. Benefit of using an eyeshadow is, although it came out really nice, you can erase it easily and your face will not become a mess. Now we follow the same for the under eye. See how easy that was? Now take a black eye pencil and tight line. Now taking a gel liner on the same brush. You see how rich and black this eye looks? Finishing off with the most beautiful ethereal eyeshadow you will ever use. See how it instantly beautifies the eye? Using Cleo Kill Lash Mascara. This will last you till you remove it. Trust me. So this is kiss proof. Love it. I feel my blush is not looking complete, so I'm using this Chin Brown from Jason Rule's palette. This looks so much better. This is literally hairspray for your face. It will set your makeup in place for the entire day. The entire day, no matter where you go. Watch. Don't breathe. It doesn't disturb your base, doesn't do anything, but will set your makeup in place. We're done with the entire face. And it's giving beautiful, it's giving gorgeous. Absolutely love the eyes. Like they say everything in this look. The rest of the face I've kept very muted. Bye.